Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the IBM Model M2 keyboard. Now, the IBM Model M2 keyboard is a cost-reduced version of the old IBM Model M keyboard. However, while the IBM Model M keyboard was mainly designed for the IBM PS2 and RS6000, the IBM Model M2 keyboard was designed for the PS1 computers, which were lower-end computers mainly designed to be IBM's response to the Packard Bells and Compaqs and whatnot. Now, the IBM Model M2 keyboard is a smaller keyboard, as you can see. But the IBM Model M2 keyboard is also cheaper, and it has a lot of corners cut in the design. For example, the cord is built into the keyboard itself, kind of like later IBM Model M's. And just like later IBM Model M keyboards, the keycaps in the M2 are not removable, while in the older Model M's you can easily remove the keycaps of any key and replace them and put them in different spots, or just replace the keycaps with something entirely different, like, let's just say, special keycaps for special programs. While on the Model M2, the keys are one piece, so you cannot remove the keycaps. You have to remove the entire key. However, the keyboard is still built in the USA, and it even still has the same birth date on the keyboard, and this keyboard was made in October 26th, 1992, in the USA too. Now, this keyboard has a very similar feel to the Model M. However, it's much lighter, and it also has plastic instead of metal, which gives the keyboard a lighter feel and higher pitched sound. The keyboard feels softer to type on compared to the Model M. And it also sounds higher pitched too, especially on stuff such as the spacebar. But other than that, it has the same IBM buckling spring mechanism inside the keys. And this is not a rubber dome, despite what it looks like. It is a full-fledged buckling spring keyboard. Now, typing on this keyboard feels nice due to the fact that the keys feel slightly softer and they sound higher pitched as well compared to the Model M's. So not only does the keyboard feel different than the Model M, but it also has its own distinct feel too. Which makes the keyboard a nice keyboard to type on, of course. And this is also a more portable keyboard, so it's easier to take with you to places. Now, cost-wise, this keyboard costs less than that of a Model M on websites like eBay. However, while the Model M has its own rivets problem, this keyboard has its capacitor problem. It's a different problem, and it still requires you to have to fix it. So, is this keyboard worth it? Well, it is, if you don't mind, if you have bad caps, having to try to fix the board itself. And it's not an easy fix from what I can tell. But other than that, this is a really nice keyboard to type on. And it has a similar force level to the Model M because of its mechanism. And these buckling springs are really enjoyable to type on. In fact, I'm going to type on it right now and show you how it types. Alright, so now I have Microsoft Word open, so let's type some stuff on this keyboard.